All right, where's Sandra?
Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve, my name is Sandra. Ring any bells? No? Okay, well, myself and my husband was here this past October, and he's here again with me today.
Oh, okay.
I asked the producers to pull a clip just to kind of refresh your memory, to help you out a little.
You asked the producers to pull a clip?
Yes, yes, yes.
All right, let's see it. Starting today, if you lose 50 pounds in 6 months,
Okay.
and you can come back and show me,
Okay.
I'm gonna give y'all a free vacation.
All right. All right. Thank you so much. Steve,
That's you then.
that's me then.
That's you now.
Yes.
You already look different.
Yeah. Steve, I've
Because
already...
your husband, as I remember, he's a bodybuilder.
Yes, yeah, he's a bodybuilder. And with the great help of my husband, who's been the wings beneath my wings, he's food prepped. We enlisted personal trainers. I train with him on certain days. My family, my church, Olivet Baptist Church, Kevin Adams, just everybody.
Had to bring the Lord into this one.
Yes, yes, got to. So I'm down 67 pounds, Steve.
You lost 67 pounds?
Yes, yes, yes.
I said 50.
You said 50 in 6 months. I did 67 in 5 months.
Hit the messed up part. I ain't never think I'd see this woman again. Come on. So you lost how much?
I lost 67 pounds in 5 months.
Yes, like that.
There was no shots, there was no pills, there was no surgery. My mom, I would go by.
Did you
my
cut
dad,
out sugar?
Oh, yes.
Bread?
Yes.
Flour?
Yes. All of that.
Pasta?
You know what? For breakfast now, I have green veggies and salads for breakfast.
Well, I'm glad it worked. Y'all sit down. I'm working on something. Soon as they do what I ask them to do, I'm gonna get it together. We got time for one more. Desiree, where are you?
Hey, Steve. Hey, Steve. So I have a lot of pet peeves, but my biggest one is probably people who chew loudly. When it comes to my friends and family, I don't have any problem letting them know that they're chewing like a cow. But when it's somebody you don't know at a restaurant, you don't really know how to address that because it's inappropriate or rude. So what is your pet peeve, and how would you address it if it's somebody that you don't know?
I don't. Them people ain't your business.
Sometimes it's just right there, though.
I don't care where it is. Quit listening. Don't let that stuff bother you. You're gonna be fine. Thank you very much. Okay. All right. Chandra and Andy, I said, if you lose 50 pounds, I'm gonna send you on the trip. Well, I didn't know you were coming today. Sure didn't know you lost 50. You done messed around and lost 67. So, we are sending you to Wavi Island, Fiji. Wavi Island, Fiji, for a 7-night trip of a lifetime to a multi-million-dollar villa. Yeah, you're gonna going to experience, this villa is 3,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom designer resident, complete with an infinity edge pool, daily private dinner service, daily housekeeping, and a whole lot of VIP treatment. You go and enjoy the trip.
Yes.
Compliments of the Steve Show, baby. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Steve.
Enjoy yourself. Thank y'all for coming.